What if I told you that Google just made one of the most powerful AI video generators in the entire world completely free? No credit card, no subscription, nothing. Just your Gmail account. I am talking about Google Veo 3.1, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step from scratch. Head over to Google Flow at flow.google.com. This is Google's dedicated AI filmmaking tool, and it's built entirely around Veo 3.1. Click on Create with Google Flow, agree to the terms, and once you're inside, click on New Project. Now, before we start generating, Google Flow showed me a few slides about what's new in the tool. I skipped past those and landed on the main project window. This is where all the magic happens. Down at the bottom, you'll see the prompt box. Click on it and switch the mode from image generation to video generation. Now, let me show you the most important thing before we generate anything: the models. Click on the model dropdown and you'll see 4 options. Veo 3.1 Lite uses 10 credits per video. Veo 3.1 Fast uses 20 credits. Omni Flash is interesting. It uses 15 credits for a 4-second video, 20 for 6 seconds, 25 for 8 seconds, and 30 for a 10-second video. And Veo 3.1 Quality uses 100 credits for a single video. Now, the obvious question is, how many free credits do you actually get? Click on your account panel in the top right. You'll see it right there. 50 Google Flow credits refreshing every single day. No credit card needed. This is genuinely free. For today's tutorial, I'm keeping everything on Veo 3.1 Lite. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9, set generations to 1, and let's start creating. Okay, first generation. In the prompt box, I'm typing a lone wolf standing on a snow-covered mountain peak at sunrise, golden light hitting its fur, cinematic wide shot, slow motion, nature documentary style. Hit generate, and in under 2 minutes, look at this.
As the sun breaks over the peaks, the gray wolf surveys its kingdom.
A stunning cinematic nature clip. And notice something, Veo 3.1 actually added a voiceover to this clip automatically. It says, as the sun breaks over the peaks, the gray wolf surveys its kingdom. The AI wrote and narrated that itself. Incredible. Now, here's the key thing I want you to notice about that prompt. I didn't just write wolf on a mountain. I gave it the lighting, golden light at sunrise, the camera style, cinematic wide shot, the mood, nature documentary style. That level of specificity is what separates a good output from a great one. Keep that in mind because I'll give you the exact formula at the end. Let's do the second one, new prompt. A futuristic city at night with flying cars and neon lights reflecting on wet streets, aerial drone shots slowly descending, cyberpunk aesthetic, ultra realistic. Under 2 minutes again, and look at this. Flying cars, neon reflections on wet streets, soft background music. This looks like a scene from a Hollywood sci-fi film, and I generated this with a single text prompt for free. Third generation. This one is just for fun. Prompt: a cat wearing a business suit sitting at a desk typing on a laptop very seriously, office environment, other cats walking in the background as colleagues, realistic lighting.
We need to finalize the Q3 projections by noon. I'll have them on your desk shortly.
Same generation time, and it's actually decent. The cat is in a full suit, typing away, other cats in the background. You can literally generate anything you imagine with this tool. Now, let me quickly show you the difference between the models without burning our remaining credits. Open the model dropdown again. Veo 3.1 Lite at 10 credits is what we've been using. Fast, free-friendly, and as you just saw, the quality is already very impressive for social media and YouTube content. Veo 3.1 Fast at 20 credits gives you smoother motion and finer detail. It's better for a hero shot in a long-form video. For everything you're doing as a beginner creator right now, Lite is completely sufficient. Now let me show you the most powerful feature in this entire tool. This is called image to video, and this is the part of the tutorial that is going to blow your mind. To generate the image, I'm heading to Google AI Studio at aistudio.google.com. Click on Playground and select the image generation model. In the prompt box, I'm typing a majestic lion standing on a cliff edge overlooking an African savanna at golden hour. Dramatic lighting, hyper-realistic, National Geographic-style photography, ultra-detailed fur texture. And look at that image! That's studio-quality photography, generated completely free in seconds. Now, I'm copying this image and heading back to Google Flow. In the generation settings, I'm switching the mode to frames and pasting the line as my start frame. This tells Veo exactly what the subject looks like before it begins animating. Now, in the prompt box, I type, "The lion slowly turns its head and looks directly into the camera. Golden hour wind gently moving its mane, cinematic slow motion, shallow depth of field, ultra realistic." Hit generate and watch this. That started as a still image. The AI animated it. The mane is moving, the lion turns its head, the golden hour light is perfect. This is National Geographic level footage, generated from a Gmail account. 0 rupees. There's one more free tool I want to show you before we finish. Google Vids at vids.new. The difference between Google Flow and Google Vids is simple. Google Flow is where you experiment and generate clips. Google Vids is where you build your final video. It's a full video editor with Veo 3.1 built directly into it. Click on the Veo button in the right panel. You'll see Veo 3.1 is available here. 8 seconds, 720p, with sound, completely free. I'm typing this prompt. A coffee cup on a wooden table with steam rising slowly, morning light coming through a window, cozy aesthetic, close-up shot. And it generates directly into the video timeline. No downloading, no importing, it just appears in your editor, ready to use. If you want to build a full video made entirely of AI-generated clips, Google Vids is where you do it. Before I wrap up, let me give you the exact prompt formula I used for every single generation in this video. Head back to Google Flow and I'll show you using the Wolf prompt. The formula is subject plus action plus setting plus camera style plus lighting plus mood or aesthetic. Let me map it to the Wolf prompt right now. Subject, lone wolf. Action, standing on a snow-covered mountain peak. Camera style, cinematic wide shot, slow motion. Lighting, golden light at sunrise. Mood, nature documentary style. Use that formula every single time and your outputs will be consistent and high quality. Screenshot it, save it, write it down. It works for every single model in this tool. So here's everything you got today, completely free. Google Flow for text to video and image to video with 50 daily credits that refresh every single day. Google AI Studio for generating your starting images, and Google Vids for building your final video inside a proper editor. The entire workflow works with nothing except a Gmail account and costs 0 rupees. If this video was useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Every single week, I cover free AI tools exactly like this one. And next week's video is something you genuinely do not want to miss. I'll see you there.